regret sometimes I might.
Ayan, nakakaloka. Nagulat ako. Magsi-selfie sana ako. Kaso lang, nakita ko sa likuran ko, may sirena. Yan. It's a mermaid. Ayan, there's a red mermaid. At meron pa, merong fish. Meron ding yellow mermaid. And marami pang ibang fishes. Hello! Si Ariel. Kasama niya si Sebastian. Turtle. Fishes. Hello, Sebastian. Nice to meet you. And hello, Ariel. It's nice to meet you too. The big fish.
Look at that big nose.
Big nose.
So tall.
Wow. It's a dolphin and
No.
a fishes.
Oh no.
What's this? Look at that. No. What I mean is this.
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh no. You're supposed to know that.
This.
The ship? Yes, it's broken. What is that?
Butterfly.
No, it's not a butterfly.
Bird.
Oh no, it's not a bird. Oh no.
Sweet.
It's an angel.
It's an angel.
Yes. That one. Up. Up. It's an angel.
It's a bird.
Yes.
It's a bird. It's a two bird.
Yes.
It's a two bird.
Bird.
May yan na umiiyak.
Yes.
Yan na.
It's a mother and child. That. So cute. And what is that?
Butterfly.
It's a butterfly. It's a wings. And this is a fairy. A beautiful fairy.
Beautiful fairy.
That one too. It's a fairy.
Yeah.
Hello, fairy. Beautiful fairy. Fairy godmother.
There.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yeah. This one. Who is that?
Ice cream.
It's an ice cream. And who is that?
A flower.
A flower.
A balloon.
Where?
A balloon.
A balloon.
Please share mo sa balloon.
Yes. And say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
Lady Yaya.
See you next time.
See you next time.
God bless.
Bye.
Mwah mwah. Chup chup. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Watching.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Like.
Bye.
Bye.